Hello, my name is Penelope Roman Asiego. This is the summer 2025 second half semester of Juvenile Justice Administration. Today is July 13, 2025. So here in this website of the Office of Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention, I found most of my information. So the upper age jurisdiction is the older age at which juvenile court has original jurisdiction over an individual who has violated the law. The upper age in Florida is 17, and it varies by state. I was not aware of the differences between the states that consider different ages as the upper age or the original jurisdiction. I used to think that 18 was the age limit across the country. A juvenile, the definition of a juvenile is a young person at or under the ages of the original jurisdiction in each state. For number two, law enforcement is the primary source of referrals of juveniles to juvenile court. Law enforcement accounted for 82% of all juvenile delinquency referrals. 6 topics that I got from the FAQs, as you can see here. I have youth in court, which is where information from all delinquency cases that has passed through the juvenile court appears. Youth population characteristics is a data arranged depending on factors such as age, sex, race, and social indicators that all affect the crimes that youth commit. Juvenile justice system structure and processes describes the organization and processes of the juvenile justice system, as well as how offenses and the criminal justice system are connected. Youth on probation is where data on juveniles in probation is shown and how the probation is determined. So all information about youth that have been placed on probation. Law enforcement and youth crime. This is a section that provides a lot of information on the beginning of detentions and arrests of juveniles, since law enforcement plays a big role in determining the first decisions made before a juvenile is formally tried in the juvenile justice system. Offending by youth is a collection of data that shows the violation of juveniles split into different categories for better understanding and analysis of youth crime. So the CJRP is a census of juveniles in residential placement, and it is of all persons under 21 that are assigned a bed in residential facilities, along with information on demographics and offenses. This data is useful for statistics, analysis, and understanding of youth in residential placement. The CJRP works with the JRFC. The JRFC is the Juvenile Residential Facility Census, which is a collection of information on the facilities where juveniles are held. So that would be all services, operations, the size and classifications, which are all part of the JRFC.